The new COROS Pace 4 is getting a lot of attention because of its incredible battery life, lightweight design, dual-frequency GPS, and serious training tools at a lower price. But Garmin's new Forerunner 170 is bringing AMOLED display, smarter recovery tracking, Garmin Pay, offline music support, and a much more. So which one is actually better for runners in 2026? In this video, we'll compare the COROS Pace 4 and Garmin Forerunner 170 side-by-side in design, battery life, training features, GPS accuracy, health tracking, and overall value to help you choose the right running watch easily. Best smartwatch deals are available in the description. Must check. Welcome to SmartWatch Radar. Design, build, and display. Both watches are lightweight and designed mainly for runners, but the overall experience feels very different. The COROS Pace 4 focuses completely on performance and simplicity. It has an ultra-lightweight body, very clean software, and a comfortable fit that feels excellent during long runs and workouts. The Garmin Forerunner 170 feels more modern and premium overall because of its bright AMOLED display and polished Garmin interface. The display on the Forerunner 170 looks much more colorful and visually premium, while the Pace 4 focuses more on efficiency and battery optimization. Battery life. Battery life is one of the biggest advantages of the COROS Pace 4. The Pace 4 delivers around 19 days of smartwatch battery life and up to around 41 hours of GPS usage, which is seriously impressive for runners and endurance athletes. The Garmin Forerunner 170 delivers around 10 days in smartwatch mode, which is still very good for an AMOLED running watch. But overall, COROS clearly wins when it comes to battery endurance and long-distance training usage. Training and fitness features. This is where both watches become very competitive. The Forerunner 170 includes Garmin Coach, training readiness, recovery insights, adaptive workouts, running power, running dynamics, HRV tracking, and advanced workout suggestions. Garmin's software also feels smarter for beginner and intermediate runners because the watch gives easier to understand recovery and training guidance. The COROS Pace 4, however, focuses more on serious performance tracking and endurance training. You get detailed training analysis, strong race prediction tools, dual-frequency GPS, advanced recovery metrics, and excellent long-distance performance tracking. COROS also keeps improving its training ecosystem, and many serious runners now consider it one of Garmin's biggest competitors. Health and smart features. The Forerunner 170 includes Garmin Pay, notifications, sleep coach, body battery, pulse ox, stress tracking, HRV insights, and offline music support in the music version. The COROS Pace 4 still includes strong health tracking, like sleep tracking, HRV monitoring, recovery tracking, and heart rate monitoring. But smartwatch features are more limited overall. There's no strong focus on premium smartwatch tools because COROS mainly prioritizes fitness performance and battery efficiency. GPS and accuracy. GPS accuracy is excellent on both watches. The COROS Pace 4 uses dual-frequency GPS technology and performs extremely well during difficult outdoor conditions and marathon training. The Forerunner 170 also delivers accurate GPS tracking and strong workout performance, but the Pace 4 feels slightly more performance-focused overall for endurance runners. For normal users, both are excellent, but advanced runners may appreciate COROS battery and GPS optimization more. Software experience. The Garmin Forerunner 170 offers a more polished and beginner-friendly experience overall. Menus, widgets, workout suggestions, and smartwatch tools feel more modern and visually refined. COROS keeps things cleaner and simpler with less visual complexity, which many serious runners actually prefer during training. Price comparison. The Garmin Forerunner 170 starts at around $299, while the music version costs around $349. The COROS Pace 4 is available around $249 depending on the region. Final verdict. If you want the best smartwatch-style running experience with AMOLED display, Garmin Pay, offline music, and smarter recovery guidance, then the Garmin Forerunner 170 is the better overall choice. But if your main focus is battery life, endurance training, GPS accuracy, and serious running performance at a lower price, then the COROS Pace 4 honestly delivers incredible value. So yeah, both watches are seriously impressive in 2026, but they target slightly different types of runners. Let me know which one you would choose. Subscribe to SmartWatch Radar for more latest tech updates.